Welcome, friends, to a place of wonder and delight, a place where ideas bubble and fizz, where simple ingredients transform into a beloved beverage. This is the Coca-Cola factory, and we're about to unveil some of its secrets. Our journey begins with a single essential element, water. It forms the base of our beloved drink, and its purity is paramount. From crystal clear springs to municipal sources, water arrives at our factory ready for its transformation. So, buckle up and get ready for a fascinating adventure as we delve into the world of Coca-Cola, exploring the magic that unfolds within these walls. Let's begin. Water, the lifeblood of Coca-Cola, undergoes a meticulous purification process. This ensures every drop meets the highest standards of quality and taste. The journey begins with filtration. This removes any impurities or particles, leaving the water crystal clear. Next comes carbon filtration, which further refines the water, eliminating any unwanted tastes or odors. Finally, the water is disinfected using ultraviolet light. This ensures its absolute purity and safety. The result? Water that's not only clean but enhances the flavor of our secret formula. This rigorous process highlights Coca-Cola's commitment to quality. It's this dedication that makes Coca-Cola a refreshing and enjoyable experience every time. Now, for the heart of the operation, the secret syrup. This is where the magic truly happens. The recipe locked away in a vault is a closely guarded secret. We can tell you this much: it's a blend of natural flavors and sugar. The sugar, sourced from around the world, provides sweetness and body. Caramel color gives Coca-Cola its iconic hue, but the real secret lies in the precise combination of natural flavors. These flavors, extracted from fruits, spices, and other botanicals, create the unique taste of Coca-Cola. The exact formula remains a mystery, known only to a select few. This air of secrecy is part of what makes Coca-Cola so special. It's a taste that's both familiar and mysterious, a flavor that has captivated the world for generations. Section 4. A symphony of sweetness, mass production of the syrup. The creation of the secret syrup is a sight to behold. It's a carefully orchestrated process, a blend of art and science. Giant stainless steel tanks gleaming under bright lights hold thousands of gallons of syrup. Each batch is carefully measured and mixed, ensuring consistency and quality. Technicians clad in white coats monitor every step of the process. They use sophisticated equipment to test the syrup's density, color, and flavor. Only when it meets the highest standards is it deemed ready for the next stage. This meticulous attention to detail ensures that every bottle of Coca-Cola tastes exactly as it should. Section 5, the final act, a glimpse into carbonation and beyond. Our journey through the Coca-Cola factory is nearing its end. We've witnessed the purification of water and the creation of the secret syrup. Now imagine the syrup, chilled and waiting, ready to meet its final ingredient. Those iconic bubbles. Carbonation, the process of infusing the beverage with carbon dioxide, gives Coca-Cola its signature fizz. This effervescence, combined with the sweet caramelly flavor of the syrup, creates the refreshing taste we all know and love. The final step involves mixing the syrup with carbonated water in precise proportions, but we'll save the details of that process for another time. For now, let's savor the anticipation, the excitement of what's to come. Section 6, conclusion. Our journey inside the Coca-Cola factory has been a revelation. We've seen firsthand the dedication, precision, and secrecy that go into creating this iconic beverage. From the purity of the water to the mystery of the secret syrup, every step is a testament to Coca-Cola's commitment to quality and consistency. So the next time you enjoy a cold Coca-Cola, take a moment to appreciate the journey it took to reach you. Remember the bubbling vats of syrup, the gleaming stainless steel tanks, and the dedication of the people who make it all possible. It's a story of innovation, passion, and a commitment to delivering a moment of happiness in every bottle. You won't believe what goes into making your favorite fizzy drink. Let's uncover the secrets behind Coca-Cola's signature bubbles. In the second part of our Coca-Cola factory journey, we dive into the carbonation and mixing process. This is where the magic of Coca-Cola happens, when the syrup meets carbonated water. Carbonation gives Coca-Cola its signature fizz. Here, carbon dioxide is added to purified water under high pressure. This creates those delightful bubbles we all love. Once carbonated, the water is ready to meet the syrup. Massive mixers blend the two components in carefully controlled quantities, ensuring every bottle tastes exactly the same. Quality control is essential. Technicians constantly check for the right balance between syrup and carbonation, tasting samples to maintain that perfect Coca-Cola flavor. With the mixture complete, the Coca-Cola is ready for the next stage bottling. In the next part, we'll see how millions of bottles are created, filled, and sent out into the world. Stay tuned. Hey there folks, Mike Rowe here, and forget the hard hats and steel-toe boots for a second. Today we're going to take you on a journey that goes beyond the surface of what you might expect. We're stepping into a world where precision meets passion and where every detail counts. Today we're diving into a place where sugary dreams are bottled up and shipped out, a Coca-Cola bottling plant. This isn't just any factory, it's a marvel of modern engineering and logistics. Imagine a place where every second counts and every movement is choreographed to perfection. It's a symphony of machinery, a ballet of conveyor belts, all working in perfect harmony to quench your thirst. The sound of bottles clinking, the hum of the machines. It's like music to the ears of anyone who appreciates the art of manufacturing. Each bottle is a note in this grand composition, and together they create a masterpiece. Now you might think a bottle of Coke is just a simple pleasure, but trust me, there's a whole lot of hard work and ingenuity that goes into getting that refreshing drink in your hand. From the engineers who design the machinery to the workers who ensure everything runs smoothly, it's a team effort. Every person here plays a crucial role in making sure that each bottle meets the highest standards of quality. We're talking millions of bottles a day, folks, each one going through a meticulous process from start to finish. It's not just about filling bottles, it's about ensuring consistency, taste, and safety. Every bottle is inspected multiple times to make sure it meets the exacting standards that Coca-Cola is known for. We'll be your guide through this labyrinth of machinery, witnessing firsthand the journey of a Coca-Cola bottle from a tiny plastic pellet to a refreshing beverage. It all starts with these small pellets, which are melted down and molded into the iconic bottles we all recognize. But that's just the beginning. From there, the bottles are cleaned, filled, capped, and labeled, all in a matter of seconds. Get ready to be amazed by the sheer scale and efficiency of this operation. The plant is a hive of activity, with machines and people working together in perfect harmony. It's a testament to what can be achieved when technology and human ingenuity come together. Let's get our hands dirty, or at least figuratively, and explore the fascinating world of Coca-Cola bottling. We'll meet the people who make it all happen, from the factory floor workers to the engineers and managers who keep everything running smoothly. So buckle up and get ready for an inside look at one of the most iconic brands in the world. This is more than just a tour. It's an adventure into the heart of what makes Coca-Cola a global phenomenon. Our journey begins with what looks like ordinary plastic pellets, resembling grains of rice more than bottles. These small, unassuming pieces are the foundation of a process that transforms them into something entirely different and incredibly useful. These tiny pellets are the building blocks of our Coca-Cola bottles, made from polyethylene terephthalate, or PT, a strong, lightweight and recyclable plastic. PET is chosen for its durability and its ability to be recycled multiple times, making it an environmentally friendly choice in the world of plastics. The journey of these pellets is a fascinating one, starting from their raw form and ending as a crucial part of our everyday lives. These pellets are melted down into a molten liquid, a bit like a thick syrup. This transformation is achieved through the application of heat, which causes the solid pellets to lose their form and become a viscous, flowing substance. The process requires precise temperature control to ensure the plastic melts evenly and maintains the right consistency for the next stage. This liquid is then injected into molds to create what's called a preform. The injection molding process is a critical step where the molten plastic is forced into a mold cavity under high pressure. This ensures that the preform takes on the exact shape and dimensions required for the next stages of production. Imagine a miniature version of a bottle, complete with a neck and threads, but much thicker and shorter. These preforms are designed to be robust and compact, making them easier to handle and transport before they are blown into their final bottle shape. These preforms are then cooled and stacked, ready for the next stage of their transformation. Cooling is a crucial part of the process as it solidifies the preforms and prepares them for the next phase. The preforms are carefully monitored to ensure they cool evenly and maintain their structural integrity. It's a mesmerizing process, watching these tiny pellets morph into the recognizable shape of a bottle, albeit in miniature form. The transformation from pellet to preform is a testament to the ingenuity and precision of modern manufacturing techniques. Each step is meticulously planned and executed to ensure the highest quality product. It's like watching a sculptor at work, only instead of clay, they're using molten plastic and industrial-sized machinery. The artistry involved in shaping these preforms is remarkable, combining technical skill with creative engineering to produce a product that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Stay tuned, folks, because things are about to get even more interesting. As we move forward, we'll explore how these preforms are transformed into the bottles we use every day. The journey from pellet to preform is just the beginning, and the next stages are filled with even more fascinating processes and innovations. So don't go anywhere as we continue to uncover the incredible journey of plastic transformation. Now remember those preforms we talked about? It's time for them to take center stage. They're loaded into another machine where they're heated to a precise temperature, making the plastic soft and pliable. Then, like a magician inflating a balloon animal, high-pressure air is blown into the preforms, stretching them out to fill the mold and take on the iconic shape of a Coca-Cola bottle. It's a sight to behold, folks, watching these tiny preforms expand into full-size bottles in the blink of an eye. Once cooled, the bottles are ejected from the molds, ready for the next stage of their journey. The precision and speed of this process are truly remarkable, a testament to the engineering marvel that is modern manufacturing. From tiny pellets to fully formed bottles, we've witnessed the birth of a container, and the best part is, this is just the beginning. Section 4, a symphony of speed, filling and capping. Now that we have our bottles, it's time to fill them with that iconic Coca-Cola goodness. This is where the magic truly begins, transforming empty vessels into the refreshing drink we all know and love. The bottles are whisked away on a conveyor belt, entering a high-speed filling machine that's a marvel of precision and efficiency. This machine is designed to handle thousands of bottles per hour, ensuring that each one is filled to the exact level required. Imagine a giant carousel with hundreds of nozzles, each one precisely dispensing the perfect amount of Coca-Cola into each bottle. This carousel spins continuously, never missing a beat, ensuring that every bottle is filled uniformly. It's a non-stop flow, folks. A liquid ballet of sorts, as thousands of bottles are filled every minute. The liquid flows seamlessly from the nozzles into the bottles, creating a mesmerizing dance of efficiency and speed. Once filled, the bottles move along the conveyor belt to the capping station where, you guessed it, they get their caps screwed on tight. This transition is smooth and swift, ensuring that there is no delay in the process. Again, speed and precision are key here, ensuring each bottle is sealed airtight, preserving the freshness and fizz of the beverage inside. The capping machine is a marvel in itself, designed to handle the caps with care and accuracy. The synchronized movement of bottles, the whoosh of the filling nozzles, the click-clack of the capping machines, it's a symphony of sound and motion, all orchestrated to quench your thirst. Each element of this process is meticulously timed and executed, creating a harmonious flow that ensures every bottle is perfect. Quality control is an integral part of this process. Each bottle is inspected to ensure it meets the high standards set by Coca-Cola. This includes checking the fill level, the tightness of the cap, and the overall appearance of the bottle. Workers and automated machines work in tandem to monitor the bottling line. Any bottle that doesn't meet the criteria is swiftly removed from the line, ensuring that only the best products make it to the shelves. Once the bottles pass the quality control checks, they are packed into crates and prepared for distribution. The packing process is just as efficient, with automated systems ensuring that each crate is filled and sealed properly. Finally, the crates are loaded onto trucks and sent out for distribution. These trucks will deliver the Coca-Cola to stores and restaurants, ensuring that the refreshing beverage is available to consumers everywhere. And there you have it. From an empty bottle to a refreshing drink, the journey of Coca-Cola is a testament to precision, efficiency, and quality. So the next time you take a sip, remember the incredible process that brought that bottle to your hand. Section 5, a splash of identity, the art of labeling. A bottle of Coca-Cola isn't complete without its iconic label, and this is where things get really interesting. The bottles, now filled and capped, continue their journey on the conveyor belt, entering the labeling station. Here, high-speed machines precisely apply labels to each bottle, ensuring they're straight, wrinkle-free, and perfectly positioned. It's like watching a master calligrapher at work, only instead of ink and parchment, they're using adhesive and plastic. Each label contains vital information about the product, from ingredients and nutritional facts to manufacturing dates and batch numbers. It's a critical part of the process, ensuring transparency and traceability for every single bottle. The labels are like the finishing touch on a masterpiece, adding that final splash of color and identity to our Coca-Cola bottles. Hey there, folks. Ever wonder how that iconic Coca-Cola bottle comes to be? It's a fascinating journey. Let me tell you, it all starts with these tiny plastic pellets resembling fish food more than anything else. These pellets are melted down into a gooey, molten plastic. This molten plastic is then injected into molds, forming what we call preforms. Think of them as test tube-shaped embryos of the bottle. These preforms are heated again, then blasted with air. This stretches them into the final bottle shape. The whole process is a marvel of engineering, happening at lightning speed. It's like watching a magician pull a rabbit out of a hat, except here it's bottles out of molten plastic, and trust me, the heat in these factories is no joke. Now let's talk about filling these bottles with the good stuff. Imagine a waterfall, but instead of water, it's Coca-Cola. That's what it's like watching these machines in action. Bottles whiz by on a conveyor belt, getting filled with precise amounts of that bubbly goodness. The speed is mind-boggling. Thousands of bottles are filled every minute, each one getting the perfect amount of that secret Coca-Cola formula. And the carbonation, it's added with surgical precision, ensuring every sip is as refreshing as the first. It's a symphony of hissing, fizzing, and the sweet aroma of Coca-Cola filling the air. You can't help but feel a sense of awe watching this well-oiled machine in action. Once the bottles are filled, it's time to seal in that freshness. This is where the capping machine comes in, a mechanical marvel that's both mesmerizing and crucial. Imagine a robotic arm, moving with lightning speed, picking up caps and perfectly sealing each bottle. The hiss as each cap is secured is music to the ears, a sound that signifies another bottle is ready for the world. These caps aren't just for show, they play a vital role in preserving the flavor and fizz of Coca-Cola, ensuring it reaches you as intended. It's a simple step but incredibly important. Without a proper seal, the Coca-Cola inside would lose its fizz and flavor, and nobody wants a flat Coke, right? Now that we have our sealed bottles, it's time to give them their iconic look. This is where the labeling process comes in. Huge rolls of labels featuring that unmistakable Coca-Cola logo are fed into a machine that precisely applies them to each bottle. But it's not just about looks. These labels contain important information about the product. And to ensure everything is perfect, each bottle undergoes rigorous quality control checks. High-tech scanners and cameras inspect every inch, ensuring the labels are perfect and the Coca-Cola inside meets the highest standards. It's like a final exam for the bottles, and only the best make it through. This meticulous attention to detail is what makes Coca-Cola, well, Coca-Cola. Section 5. Ready for the world, packaging and distribution. The final stage of this journey involves packaging the bottles and preparing them for distribution. This is where those iconic cardboard boxes come in, each one designed to safely transport the bottles across the country and even the world. Automated machines carefully arrange the bottles in these boxes, ensuring they're snug and secure for their journey. These boxes are then loaded onto trucks, ready to deliver that refreshing Coca-Cola goodness to stores and vending machines everywhere. It's a logistical ballet, with each step carefully coordinated to ensure a steady supply of Coca-Cola reaches every corner of the globe. From the factory floor to your local store, it's a journey that showcases the power of modern manufacturing and distribution. Section 6, the human element, people behind the process. Now you might be thinking this is all about machines, but let's not forget the human element. Behind every stage of this process are skilled technicians, engineers, and operators who keep everything running smoothly. These are the unsung heroes of the Coca-Cola bottling process, the ones who ensure every bottle that leaves the factory is perfect. They monitor the machines, troubleshoot problems, and ensure the quality of the final product. It's a testament to their hard work and dedication that Coca-Cola continues to be enjoyed by millions worldwide. So, next time you crack open a cold one, take a moment to appreciate the people behind the scenes who made it all possible. Section 7, Sustainability, Coca-Cola's green efforts. In today's world, it's not just about making a product, it's about making it sustainably. Coca-Cola understands this, and they've made significant strides in reducing their environmental impact. From using recycled materials in their bottles to reducing water consumption in their plants, they're constantly looking for ways to be more environmentally responsible. They've implemented initiatives to reduce waste, conserve energy, and promote recycling. They're even investing in innovative technologies to make their packaging more sustainable. It's a continuous journey, and Coca-Cola is committed to doing their part in creating a more sustainable future. They recognize that their actions have an impact, and they're taking steps to ensure that impact is a positive one. Section 8, From Local Plants to Global Reach. What's remarkable about the Coca-Cola bottling process is its global scale. The journey of each bottle starts in a local plant, but the impact is felt worldwide. While you might be enjoying a Coke in your hometown, chances are it was bottled at a plant not too far away. These local plants are the backbone of Coca-Cola's distribution network, ensuring freshness and quality. Coca-Cola has bottling plants all over the world, each one producing that same great taste we all know and love. From the bustling cities of New York and Tokyo to the serene landscapes of rural Africa, these plants are strategically located to serve diverse markets. This global network ensures that no matter where you are in the world, you're never too far from a refreshing Coca-Cola. The logistics behind this operation are nothing short of extraordinary, involving a complex web of transportation and supply chain management. It's a testament to the brand's global reach and its ability to connect people through a shared love for this iconic beverage. Whether it's a family gathering, a sports event, or a casual hangout, Coca-Cola brings people together. It's a true global operation, with each plant playing a crucial role in bringing Coca-Cola to the masses. The dedication and precision of the workers ensure that every bottle meets the highest standards of quality. From small towns to bustling cities, Coca-Cola's presence is felt worldwide. The brand's advertising campaigns further reinforce this global presence, making Coca-Cola a household name in virtually every corner of the globe. The journey from local plants to global reach didn't happen overnight. It took years of innovation, strategic planning, and a commitment to quality. Today, Coca-Cola stands as a symbol of globalization, showing how a simple beverage can transcend borders and cultures. Section 9, More Than Just a Drink, the Coca-Cola Legacy. What started as a humble beverage in 1886 has become a global icon, transcending borders and cultures. Coca-Cola represents more than just a drink. It's a symbol of happiness, refreshment, and shared moments. Across the world, people from all walks of life come together over a bottle of Coke, creating memories that last a lifetime. From its iconic bottle design, which has remained largely unchanged for over a century, to its memorable advertising campaigns that have captured the hearts of millions, Coca-Cola has become ingrained in our collective consciousness. The brand's ability to adapt and innovate while staying true to its roots is a testament to its enduring appeal. It's a brand that evokes nostalgia, reminding us of simpler times and happy memories. Whether it's the classic "I'd like to buy the world a Coke" jingle or the heartwarming holiday commercials featuring the Coca-Cola polar bears, these moments have become a part of our cultural fabric. Whether it's enjoying a Coke at a barbecue, sharing a bottle with friends, or simply taking a break from the day, Coca-Cola has a way of bringing people together. It's more than just a beverage, it's a catalyst for connection, a reason to pause and appreciate the company of those around us. It's a legacy built on generations of shared experiences, and it continues to be a part of our lives today, from grandparents to grandchildren. The love for Coca-Cola is passed down, creating a sense of continuity and tradition. So the next time you crack open a Coca-Cola, remember that you're holding more than just a bottle, you're holding a piece of history. A history that has touched countless lives, brought joy to millions, and continues to be a symbol of togetherness and celebration. Section 10, cracking open a cold one, the end result. So there you have it, folks, the journey of a Coca-Cola bottle from start to finish. From the moment the raw materials are gathered, to the intricate process of creating the bottle, and finally to the filling and packaging, every step is meticulously planned and executed. It's a fascinating process that combines cutting-edge technology, human ingenuity, and a commitment to quality. The machinery used is state-of-the-art, ensuring that each bottle is crafted to perfection. The workers, with their keen eyes and skilled hands, ensure that every bottle meets the highest standards. But at the end of the day, it all comes down to that moment when you crack open a cold bottle of Coca-Cola and take that first refreshing sip. It's a culmination of countless hours of hard work, dedication, and passion. That first sip is not just a taste, it's an experience, a moment of pure joy. It's a moment of pure satisfaction, a reminder that even in today's fast-paced world, some things never change. The simple act of enjoying a Coca-Cola can bring a smile to your face, a moment of relaxation in a hectic day. It's a small pleasure that has remained constant through the years. The simple pleasure of enjoying a Coca-Cola is something that transcends generations and cultures, connecting us all through a shared love for this iconic beverage. Whether you're with friends, family, or even enjoying a moment alone, Coca-Cola has a way of bringing people together, creating memories that last a lifetime. So next time you enjoy a Coke, take a moment to appreciate the journey it took to get to you. Think about the countless hands that played a part in its creation, the technology that made it possible, and the tradition that has kept it a beloved beverage for generations. From the fiery birth of the bottle to the final refreshing sip, it's a testament to human ingenuity and the enduring appeal of this beloved beverage. It's more than just a drink, it's a symbol of joy, connection, and timeless tradition. So here's to the journey of every Coca-Cola bottle, and to the moments of happiness it brings to our lives.